What's up, guys? How's it going? This week, or today, this week, I guess whatever you want to call it, we're going to do volumes of spheres, which is a three-dimensional circle, which that is, the circle I drew on here is definitely not two-dimensional. I mean, definitely not 3D, but we'll go with it. So, volume of a sphere, this is the equation, but if you don't have your TI-84, I would recommend using this equation. You're still going to get the same answer and everything. It's the same equation, but I think it just makes it easier. If you do not have a TI-84 calculator, use this. If you have a basic calculator, use this. If you have, why does it do that every time? If you have the school calculator, you can use this. But remember when you enter the 4/3 to hit alpha y. So, no calculator, no school calculator, use this one. School calculator, use this one. But I mean, you can use whatever. But anyway, besides the point. I kind of rambled on there for too long. So, here we go. So, it is v equals 4/3 pi r cubed, or v equals 4 pi r cubed over 3. So really, the only thing you need to know in order to find the volume of a sphere is the radius, which again, the radius is 5 for this one. So, just real quick, so r on this one would be equal to 5. What if it had this though? Just for talk purposes. What if it was saying all the way across was 10? Well, the 10 would be the diameter, so the radius is half the diameter, would be 5. So, keep that in mind. So, radius is half. And for this problem, we'll just go with 5. So, let's work it out. I like doing this problem personally, so I'm going to work out that one. But remember, if you use this one, do alpha y. Okay, to enter the fraction. Okay, so to set this one up, we'll do v equals 4 is just 4. Pi, since I don't have my calculator, I can't hit the pi button, so I'm just going to put 3.14 times r, which is 5, cubed over 3. So this is how you set it up. Now, the first thing you do, order of operations, is get rid of the cubed, the exponent. So here's what you can simply do if you don't have the TI-84. You can just do 5 times 5 times 5. So that gives you 125. So now you can break it down to v equals 4 times 3.14. Get my parentheses right. Times, that's, what was it again? 125. Almost at 225. 125. So now you have it down to this. We're still working on the top though, the top part of the problem. So you can just simply clear this out, do 4 times 3.14 times 125. So you get 1,570. 1,570 over 3 divided by 3, and you get 523.33, and it's repeating. So that is how you do the volume of a sphere. Again, remember, if you were doing working out the problem, get rid of the cubed first. Here, we'll do one more. And if you noticed, I figured out how to make my eraser bigger. So, it keeps getting better and better. Alright, here we go. We'll do one more. So let's just say the radius is, I don't know, let's make it 10. Let's do a bigger number. So we're going to write it out as V equals 4 is just 4. Pi is 3.14 times R. Our R is 10. This is the only thing you have to plug in. That's not already part of the equation. All the other ones are just simple, just numbers. So, and also remember, if you're putting the pi button and you have a TI-84, your answer might be slightly different than the ones I'm working out because the number on the pi button, it goes on and on and on. I only have 2 decimal places. All right, anyway, besides the point. Well, not really besides the point, but anyway. Here we go. So let's get rid of that cubed. So we can do 10 times 10 times 10. We get 1,000. So we'll rewrite it. And I get V equals 4 times 3.14 times 1,000. Whoa. We finally got us a big number. I will say I've not gotten better at drawing in paint though. I think I'm actually getting worse. All over 3. Okay. So clear it, and here we go. You can just strictly just go left to right if you want. So 4 times 3.14, 12.56. Now we have to multiply by 1,000. So we get 12,560 is, I believe, what it was. Yeah, 560 over 3. So we just divide that by 3, and we get 1,000 or 4,000, excuse me, 186.6. And then you'd list whatever units it's measured in, like feet, inches, whatever they have it measured in. So, so that would be your answer for that one. Also, I'm going to put a YouTube video in there. I think it was pretty good. So if you are struggling, let me know. Also, remember, if you have a TI-84 school calculator, you can use whatever equation you want. But if you do not have your school calculator, you just have a regular calculator at home, I would use this one, this equation right here. All right. Anyway, hope this helps. If not, let me know. If you have any trouble, let me know. Anyway, see ya. Have a great week.